checking all the produce, things I need to regulate this blood pressure and get me. Hey world, Chef Moan here, and confession, I've been eating like crap, eating good. Yeah, I was over there at that Applebee's last week, burgers and french fries, chicken wings. I've been on the road, trying to make some money, and there's nothing out here that works for my body type. Stress, cortisol, my midsection is bloated. So I'm on a mission to meal prep, save money, and eat how I'm supposed to be eating. Alright? Shout out to Mr. S.O.C.E. for inspiring the content. He said, film that. Your little journey. So yeah, this is what it is today. On the way to Namdae Moon. It's a good farmer's market style Korean supermarket. They usually have everything I want and need. And yeah, I'm gonna make some meal prep. Stay tuned. Alright, here we are. So, I have what you call an endomorph body type, right? I hold all of my fat in my midsection. I have a low metabolism, and I have a very stressful life that no one really knows about. It's secretive. But yeah, it's really stressful, and therefore cortisol levels are always my issue, because I know they're high. It's all outside, you know what I'm saying? So I gotta eat smart to combat that. And when I'm on the road trying to make some money so that I can pay my employees and do all the things I like to do, like survive, then I got a plan. I got a pre-prep so that I'm not out here going crazy trying to eat something and spending a lot of unnecessary money and eating a lot of unnecessary foods that I don't need to be indulging in right now. And so here we are, Namdae Moon. Love this place, I really do. Alright, let's get it going. Alright, for me in here, it's the prices. Good old prices. Start with a papaya. Mama told me to get a papaya this week. My blood pressure. Pound. It's pretty big. I should have went to Big Bear. Alright, let's get the papayas now. Oh, no, perfect. There you go. Alright, we're gonna get a papaya. Ate the meat and the seeds whole. Kill carrots like art. Alright, let's go. Oh, alright. Oh, I hit the baby. Get some limes, some lemons, always necessary. $10 for $1.99. Always need lemons and lime, boy. I'm looking for the juiciest ones. I don't need any that look like GMO. I'm trying to eat natural. There we go. Alright. Alright, let's put those down there. Let's see, what else do we have? Alright, so my blood pressure, I've been feeling it through the roof lately. Let's get some grapefruits. Now this is a 3-day prep. That's what I'm doing, so I only need enough for 3 days. Get 2 of these. Alright. So we need some tomatoes. I think I'm gonna go with the okay, let's go with this okra. Alrighty. Gonna need some ginger. Definitely gonna need some ginger. And they are $1.99 a pound. I'm guessing it feels like a pound. Organic. Organic. Boom. Alright. I could do it at whoa. Enjoying twin squash. Let's see here. Definitely want some squash. Nothing that looks like frankenfruit. Let's go with this one. Whoa. No. Why do you look like this? Okay, maybe, just maybe. Alright, I can deal with you. You look kind of normal. Mexican zucchini. Mexicano. I wouldn't even know how to pronounce that in Mexican. In Espanol. Alright, oh, yeah. We definitely need the scallion. That is a necessity. There's 4. 9. I just need 2. Try to go for the skinny. No. No. Maybe I'll find some in a different section. But we're definitely gonna do 2. Okay. Alrighty. Check this side real quick. Alrighty, I need to add some fruits to the diet, but I also have to keep in mind that there is a parasite that has invaded our produce. So, we're just gonna make sure everything is thoroughly washed and clean once we get in the house prepared. They said stay away from the raspberries, soft things like this. Alright. Think. of these fruits, really. So we'll find some other stuff. Alright. Let's see what else we're gonna do here. Jackfruit, watermelon, calabaza. See the leafy greens. It's my favorite, but this is what I am leery of. You know? Yeah. Alright, let's check the other side. Almost done. Okay. Definitely need red onion, regular onion, or sweet onion, if you will. The bag would like to open. Alright. Let's see here. Whoa. Chop City. Everything looks crazy. Alright, I'll grab that. You know what? Let's go for the sweets. 2 of those. Alright. And you know what? One more red onion because I love to make pickled red onions. They just go good on everything. I think it's a necessity. Okay. There we go. Alright. I got frozen peppers in the freezer. I could use some Scotch bonnets. Anyway, herbs are good, Oh man. There in this back wall. Seasonings you would need. Okay. Alright, pretty much got all the produce. Things I need to regulate this blood pressure and get me how I need to be. Let's go see how much it costs. Alright, total we spent $47.84. Yeah. A lot to do. Now I just have to get the proteins and start prepping.